Got this nice looking little circular saw. Doesn't look like it's been used too much. Doesn't run. If you plug it in, it doesn't go. So the thing to check is the plug, in case some wires broke here, or maybe the switch is bad. And I was going to open it up and you get the multimeter and start checking, like check the continuity between here, the plug, and where it goes up into here, and then I check the continuity on the switch. And when I was just carrying it over, I saw this little tiny piece of black tape here on the cord. So I take it off, and look at that. Somebody cut the wire. So guess what? Easy fix. Easy diagnosis. I like that kind of problem. So I think I might just either repair the cord, put a splice in there, or else open it up, see if I can cut this bad part of the cord off and bring the cord up there and do it. That would be the better way to do it, but whatever is easiest. I guess I got a new saw now. Looks like a decent one too, better than what I have. I decided to repair this the easy way. You can't do this if it was OSHA for work, because you'd have to replace the whole cord. But for me, it's okay. I put heat shrink on each wire here. I put another piece of heat shrink on above that. I got another piece of heat shrink here. So I can slide all those over when I do the soldering. I'm just going to solder them. Try to solder them quickly so the heat doesn't go up here and shrink this heat shrink, which will never slide over then. And I got it in my homemade soldering jig here. And I keep an assortment of heat shrink for my projects. Makes life easier. So let me get it soldered up. There, got it. Not the best, but not the worst. And I'll slide these heat shrinks up now. Hopefully they'll slide over. These are a little bit big. Got the heat shrink on, but I don't know if you can see, there's a little spot here. Looks like a little point on the solder poked through the heat shrink. So I'm going to put some tape around this too. Some regular heavy electrical tape around these two to give more insulation. Then I'll pull these bigger heat shrinks around. That should be good enough for my job. They're all heat shrinked up. Some extra tape inside of there. I wouldn't recommend this for anything that's going to be used a lot, especially in construction. I would just replace the whole cord, or at least have pulled it up to here. Pulled it up and reconnected in here. But anyway, it's going to be good enough for as much as I use it. Now I know what to watch for. No one else is going to use it, hopefully. And if it fails, I'll know where it's gone bad at. So let's try it out. It works. Fixed. On to the next repair job.